Is underscore init underscore dot py not required for packages in Python 3.3 plus? I am using Python 3.5.1. I read the document and the package section here, this URL. Now, I have the following structure. Module.py. Now, while in /home/woohex/playground. Similarly, now in home, superfolder of playground. Actually, I can do all kinds of stuff. Why does this work? Although there needed to be underscore init underscore .py files, empty ones would work, in both A and B for module.py to be importable when the Python path points to the playground folder. This seems to have changed from Python 2.7. With underscore init underscore .py in both /playground/A and /playground/A/B it works fine.
Python 3.3 Plus has implicit namespace packages that allow it to create packages without an underscore init underscore .py file. Allowing implicit namespace packages means that the requirement to provide an underscore init underscore .py file can be dropped completely and affected. The old way with underscore init underscore .py file still works as in Python 2.
Overview. At Mike's answer is correct but too imprecise. It is true that Python 3.3 Plus supports implicit namespace packages that allows it to create a package without an underscore init underscore .py file. This is called a namespace package in contrast to a regular package which does have an underscore init underscore .py file, empty or not empty. However, creating a namespace package should only be done if there is a need for it. For most use cases and developers out there, this doesn't apply, so you should stick with empty underscore init underscore .py files regardless. Namespace package use case. To demonstrate the difference between the two types of Python packages, let's look at the following example. Google underscore pub/sub and Google underscore storage are separate packages, but they share the same namespace Google/cloud. In order to share the same namespace, it is required to make each directory of the common path a namespace package, i.e. Google/ and cloud/. This should be the only use case for creating namespace packages, otherwise, there is no need for it. It's crucial that there are no underscore init underscore .py files in the Google and Google/cloud directories so that both directories can be interpreted as namespace packages. In Python 3.3 Plus, any directory on the sys.path with a name that matches the package name being looked for will be recognized as contributing modules and sub-packages to that package. As a result, when you import both from Google underscore pub/sub and Google underscore storage, the Python interpreter will be able to find them. This is different from regular packages, which are self-contained, meaning all parts live in the same directory hierarchy. When importing a package and the Python interpreter encounters a subdirectory on the sys.path with an underscore init underscore .py file, then it will create a single directory package containing only modules from that directory, rather than finding all appropriately named subdirectories outside that directory. This is perfectly fine for packages that don't want to share a namespace. I highly recommend taking a look at traps for the unwary in Python's import system to get a better understanding of how Python importing behaves with regular and namespace package and what _init_.py traps to watch out for. Summary. Only skip _init_.py files if you want to create namespace packages. Only create namespace packages if you have different libraries that reside in different locations and you want them each to contribute a sub-package to the parent package, i.e. the namespace package. Keep on adding empty _init_.py to your directories because 99% of the time you just want to create regular packages. Also, Python tools out there such as MyPy and PyTest require empty _init_.py files to interpret the code structure accordingly. This can lead to weird errors if not done with care. Resources. My answer only touches the surface of how regular packages and namespace packages work, so take a look at the following resources for further information. PEP 420, Implicit Namespace Packages, the Import System, Regular Packages, the Import System, Namespace Packages, Traps for the Unwary in Python's Import System.
If you have setup.py in your project and you use find_packages within it, it is necessary to have an _init_.py file in every directory for packages to be automatically found. Packages are only recognized if they include an _init_.py file. UPD. If you want to use implicit namespace packages without _init_.py, you just have to use find_namespace_packages instead. Docs.
I would say that one should omit the _init_.py only if one wants to have the implicit namespace package. If you don't know what it means, you probably don't want it and therefore you should continue to use the _init_.py even in Python 3.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.